Every Tuesday, once a week, we serve in the kitchen, and then we go over to the children's building, and we clean the children's building. Usually, when we're done, right before we close the window, they clap. It makes me feel good that we're helping the community.
The 3 kids that are working with us currently graduated in 2009. My daughter and I had discussed starting this organization called Friends with a Purpose to go out and volunteer. And the Sulzbacher was wonderful about opening their doors to us and having us come to volunteer. And Jonathan and Scott joined our group. We go into the children's building and we clean the chairs and the tables and straighten up their toys and their games, get their little snack baskets together, and just do organization. And then at 11, we go over to the kitchen and we serve. We have made some wonderful friends. After we're done serving, we sit in the cafeteria and eat with a lot of the homeless residents, and it's just been a win-win situation for all of us.